question number 4. Doc, there is pain na masakit after nakaupo ako pagtayo. Parang umiiyak po si nanay pag tumatayo. So, if your mother po is sitting down, matagal na nakaupo, tapos biglang tatayo, no? Sobrang sakit ng tuhod. Yes, those are pain and symptoms of possible osteoarthritis. Again, we did give a very good tip. Bend repeatedly over 1 minute to 5 minutes before tatayo po tayo. Again, this gentle range of motion exercises activates the quadriceps muscle para po mag-less yung pain at pwedeng tumayo na hindi masyadong masakit po yung tuhod. Again, you can also use yung mga yung upper body natin para mag-push off para hindi masaktan yung tuhod. But again, lessening the tightness helps with the pain. Next question sa ating mga arthritis warriors is, Doc, hindi po ako kneel down sa simbahan. So, okay. So, definitely, I would avoid kneeling down if it causes pain. And if you are in church po, pag nasa simbahan gusto nyong lumuhod, I understand naman na natatakot po kayo sa sinasabi ng mga ibang mga tao. But I tell my patients, mga madre, lalo na yung mga madre na masakit na yung tuhod, they want na lumuhod sila, nakakaintindi naman po yung Lord natin. No? If you really want to kneel, I would avoid it. God knows na you're suffering already the pain of osteoarthritis. The kneeling increases the pressure ng tuhod, increases the pain, and it's very common in mga patients 50 years old and above na yung kneecap pain or kneecap osteoarthritis, also known as patellofemoral pain, is something that's very, very painful. So, you can put padding, additional padding po sa simbahan para hindi masyadong masakit. But I advise my patients personally to avoid kneeling po kasi masakit na talaga.